how to fix an error occurred while preparing the installation on macOS. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the very most fix for this is to verify date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with the macOS installation process. To ensure they are set correctly, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Preferences option. Now navigate to the Date and Time option and tap on that and ensure that the date and time are accurate. If not, adjust them accordingly. Next fix is to disable Find My Mac. Some users have found that disabling Find My Mac resolves the installation error, so go ahead and open System Preferences again and then go to your Apple ID and then tap on the iCloud option you see there. Further, toggle off the Find My Mac option and attempt the installation again, and once completed, you can re-enable the Find My Mac. Next, use Internet Recovery Mode. If Standard Recovery is not resolving the issue, Internet Recovery Mode can help. So go ahead and restart your Mac and hold down the Option plus Command plus R keys on your keyboard until you see a spinning globe, indicating that it's booting into Internet Recovery Mode. Now connect to a Wi-Fi if prompted, and once the macOS Utilities window appears, select Reinstall macOS and follow the on-screen instructions. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.